Stool examination. Stool examination is carried out in laboratories for various diagnostic purposes. Stool routine test helps in the diagnosis of diarrhea, dysentery, malabsorption, gastrointestinal tract bleeding, and parasitic infections. Collection of the stool specimen. The feces for the microbiological examination should be collected during the acute stage of the diarrheal disease. Ask the patient to pass the stool sample in a clean, dry, disinfectant free, suitable white necked container or a plastic cup with a tight fitting lid. About 20 to 40 grams of well formed stool or 5 to 6 ml of watery stool will suffice for a routine examination. The ingestion of some medicines prior to the collection of the fecal sample may interfere with the detection of the microorganisms. All specimens must be properly labeled with the patient's name, age, sex, and the date of the sample collection. Precautions. Do not keep the specimen at warm temperatures. Try to keep it in cool places. Prevent the drying of the specimen. Prevent its contamination with urine or dirt particles. The stool should not be collected from bedpans which contain disinfectants. Note: the specimen must reach the laboratory within 30 minutes of passing of the stool, since the motile organisms, for example Vibrio and amoebic trophozoites, are heat sensitive and can die or become unrecognizable after that period. Criteria for specimen rejection are: specimen contaminated with urine, residual soap or disinfectants, specimens received in grossly leaking transport containers, dry specimens, and specimens submitted in fixative or additives. Equipment: glass slides, normal saline, Lugol's iodine, saturated saline solution, applicator sticks, test tubes. Microscopic examination. The laboratory diagnosis of most parasitic infections is by the demonstration of ova and cysts of the parasite in the stools of the infected person.